you're not a teacher because of the subject that you teach. So I'm not a teacher because I teach English language. I'm a teacher because I have the capacity to illuminate the mind, inspire change, and transform generations. So teaching is not about the subject. If your students do not accept your person, they can't accept the information that you're bringing. All right? So check it. Most of the subjects that we failed back then, they were subjects that we did not like the teachers. All right? So if I don't like you, it will be tough, all right, for me to listen to you. I'll probably be disconnected from your class. We now have a new generation of teachers who understands that it is first about you, it is first about your person, how you carry yourself, how you make you accessible to your students. Because if you're not accessible, your students cannot access whatever information that you're bringing.